In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send videos on WhatsApp Web. If you've been wondering how to share those memorable clips from your computer with friends or family through WhatsApp, you've come to the right place. The good news is that this process is straightforward and quick, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step so that you can confidently share videos with just a few clicks. Let's start by opening a chat on WhatsApp Web. First, make sure you have WhatsApp Web open in your browser. If you're unsure how to do this, go to web.whatsapp.com on your computer and scan the QR code with your WhatsApp mobile app. Once logged in, you'll see your list of chats on the left-hand side. Select the chat with the person or group you wish to send the video to. You can easily find the chat using the search bar if you have a lot of conversations. Next, you want to click on the little plus sign that you'll find in the bottom left corner of the chat window. It's located next to the emoji icon. Once you've clicked this plus sign, a menu of options will pop up. The option relevant to us is labeled Photos and Video, and this is what you'll want to click. Now, let's move on to selecting your video. After you click on Photos and Video, a File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to browse through the files on your computer. Navigate to the location where your video is saved. If you're unsure where it's located, it might help to organize your files using the search function in Windows or Finder on a Mac. Once you've found the video you want to share, click on it to highlight it, and then click Open or Select, depending on your operating system. Before sending, WhatsApp Web gives you a preview of the video. This is a fantastic feature because it allows you to double check that you've selected the correct file. Here, you can also add a caption if you like. Simply click the typing field below the video and add any text you want to accompany the clip. Finally, to send the video, all that's left is to click the green Send button. It is located in the bottom right corner of the preview window. After clicking this, your video will be uploaded and sent instantly to your selected chat. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a video using WhatsApp Web. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, sharing moments through videos is a powerful way to connect with loved ones no matter the distance. Thank you for joining me today, and happy chatting.